What if your sunglasses were more than just a fashion statement? What if they could overlay holograms in your living room, translate languages in real time, or even act as your personal assistant? The future of smart glasses is here, and today we are diving into Meta's groundbreaking technology that's going to change the way we live. First up, Meta's latest AI powered smart glasses. These aren't your regular frames. Imagine controlling your Spotify playlist, checking your email, or asking for directions without even pulling out your phone. All you need is your voice. Need a reminder for something? No problem. Your sunglasses will remember where you park your car or notify when you're passing by your favorite cafe. It's like having a personal assistant with you literally all the time. With Meta's glasses, you can keep the conversation flowing naturally. No need to keep repeating commands. And it doesn't stop there. Thanks to its multimodal AI, your glasses can suggest what to wear based on the weather or even give you feedback while you shop. The smart glasses can also help you with everyday tasks like scanning a QR code or dialing a number just by looking at it. Now, here's where things get really impressive. Imagine traveling abroad, not knowing the language. Meta's glasses will translate conversations in real time, so you can chat with anyone, anywhere. From ordering food at restaurant to holding a conversation, these glasses eliminate language barriers instantly. But that's just the beginning. Meet Orion, Meta's next generation AR glasses that are taking augmented reality to the next level. Imagine interacting with full holograms like something straight out of science fiction. Orion can project 3D holograms directly into your environment. Want to play a game or watch a virtual concert right into your living room? With Orion, it's all possible. So, how does Orion work? It's all about advanced display architecture. Tiny projector beam light into waveguides, turning it into hologram that appear right before your eyes. And despite all this cutting edge tech, they weigh less than 100 grams. Even better, Orion's powered by custom silicon and includes neural interface, meaning you can control it with just your thoughts. Wondering what's it like to wear Orion? Just take a look at these reactions. From playing ping pong with holograms to reading messages right in the air. People are blown away by how light and futuristic these sunglasses are. So, what's next for Meta? The Orion AR glasses are just the start. Meta's vision is to build future where AR glasses are common as your smartphones. A world where your glasses are the key to connecting with your friends, working and experiencing entertainment in a whole new way. In 2030s, we could be interacting with world where holograms and real world blend seamlessly and where human connection is more immersive than ever. Phones won't be the pinnacle of technology. In coming years, smart glasses and AR are going to redefine how we interact with the world. Imagine a future where the real world becomes your personal canvas. Are you ready for it? If this excites you, hit that like button and subscribe for more future tech.